If you're running an online store on Shopify, you know how important it is to attract more traffic. The key to driving that traffic is search engine optimization, or SEO for short. Optimizing your Shopify store for SEO can help you rank higher in Google search results and attract more potential customers and ultimately boost sales. In this tutorial, we'll be breaking down how you can improve your Shopify store's SEO in 2024 with actionable tips and strategies. If you don't already have a Shopify store, make sure to check out the link down in the description below to get started for only $1 for your first month, and make sure to stick around in this video so you can learn how to get an even better deal. Let's start with understanding the importance of SEO for your Shopify store. Search engine optimization is one of the most critical factors for the success of any online store, especially a Shopify store. In the competitive world of e-commerce, simply having a beautiful website isn't enough. Customers need to be able to find you. This is where SEO comes in. SEO involves optimizing your Shopify store to rank higher on search engine result pages, otherwise known as SERPs, specifically on Google, which controls more than 90% of the global search market. Studies reveal that over 60% of all website traffic comes from organic search, meaning that the majority of your potential customers are using Google to find products. If your Shopify store is not optimized for search engines, you might be missing out on a massive chunk of potential traffic and ultimately sales. By improving your Shopify SEO, you can rank higher on Google, attract more targeted visitors, and even increase your store's revenue. Additionally, organic traffic tends to convert better than other traffic sources, such as social media or paid ads. This is because visitors who arrive via search engines are actively searching for solutions and products like yours, making them more likely to make the purchase. The first thing you're going to want to do is start with keyword research and making sure that you have the right keywords for the foundation of your search engine optimization. Without the right keywords, your optimization efforts won't yield the desired results. Keywords are phrases that people type into Google when they're looking for products. Finding the right ones to target is essential because they tell search engines what your page is about. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and Semrush are both really great ways to find relevant keywords for your website. When conducting keyword research, focus on identifying keywords that have a high search volume but low to moderate competition. This will give you a better chance of ranking on the first page of search results. Long tail keywords, which are phrases with 3 or more words, are often more specific and have lower competition than shorter, more generic keywords. For example, instead of just hiking gear, a long tail keyword might be best waterproof hiking gear for women. This targets a much more specific group of users, and it's more likely to convert them into customers. Now, for your first action step, I recommend compiling a list of primary and secondary keywords for each product, category, or collection in your Shopify store. Use tools like Google Trends to stay updated on seasonal trends and trending keywords. For example, around the holidays, terms like Christmas gifts 2024 might spike in overall search volume. Don't forget to check the search intent, and some keywords are informational. Users are looking for advice, while others are transactional. Users are ready to buy. One of the other things you can do is optimize your product titles and descriptions. Once you've identified your target's keywords, the next step is to integrate them into your Shopify store's product titles and descriptions. Both product titles and descriptions should provide clear, concise, and useful information that serves both the search engine and your customers. Product titles should include your primary keyword and be as descriptive as possible without being too long. For example, if you're selling a pair of blue leather wallets, a well-optimized title might be Men's Blue Leather Wallets, Slim Design, RFID Blocking. This not only tells Google what the product is, but it also gives potential customers valuable information. Product descriptions are equally important. Your descriptions should naturally incorporate keywords and offer a detailed explanation of your product. Make sure to highlight key features, benefits, and address potential questions or concerns that your customers might have. For example, instead of just listing genuine leather, explain how the wallet's leather construction offers durability and longevity. But be careful not to stuff too many keywords into your descriptions. Google penalizes keyword stuffing and prioritizes content that provides real value to users. The fourth idea to increase your Shopify store's SEO is to use optimized URLs. Your Shopify store's URL plays a vital role in search engine optimization. By default, Shopify generates URLs based on your product or page title, but it's crucial to ensure that they're clean, concise, and optimized for SEO. An SEO-friendly URL is short, descriptive, and includes your main keywords. For example, if you're selling a product like a blue leather wallet, a URL might be shopify.com/products/blue leather wallet, which is much better compared to shopify.com/products/12345. URLs that are clean and easy to read improve user experience and signal to Google what the page is actually about. Ensure that your URLs follow this best practice for all of your products, categories, and blog pages. Keep them free of unnecessary words like "and" or "the," and avoid using dynamic URLs that include numbers or symbols, as those can confuse people and even confuse search engines. The next step is to improve your website speed. Website speed is one of Google's most critical ranking factors in 2024. If your Shopify store loads too slowly, visitors will leave before even viewing your products. This not only leads to a higher bounce rate, which negatively impacts your SEO, but it also results in lost sales opportunities. To improve your website's loading speed, focus on image optimization. Large images often cause Shopify stores to load slowly, so compress them using tools like TinyPNG or Shopify's built-in image optimization tool. Ensure that your images are in proper format as well, usually JPEG for photos and PNG for graphics with transparent backgrounds. Also, make sure that these are sized appropriately. Additionally, reduce the number of apps and plugins on your Shopify store. If you have too many plugins or apps loaded onto your Shopify store, this could potentially slow your website down. Only keep essential apps and uninstall those that don't add significant value. Lastly, choose an SEO optimized Shopify theme designed for speed and performance. One of the other big tips that we can give here is optimizing for mobile users. Mobile optimization is no longer optional, it's essential. More than half of online shoppers now browse and make purchases using their mobile device. Furthermore, Google uses mobile first indexing, meaning it primarily evaluates the mobile version of your site when determining ranking. To ensure that your Shopify store is mobile friendly, use a responsive theme that automatically adjusts to different screen sizes. Avoid large image files that can slow down your mobile loading times, and simplify your navigation on mobile by reducing the number of menu items. Use Google's mobile-friendly test tool to assess how your site actually performs on mobile devices. Mobile optimization is more than just about speed, it's about user experience. A clunky, slow-loading site will frustrate users, leading them to abandon their purchase. Make sure that your images, buttons, and text are all easy to interact with on small screens. One of the most important things you can also do is leverage structured data. Structured data, also known as schema markup, is a powerful tool that helps search engines understand the content on your Shopify store more effectively. By adding structured data, you can make your store's product pages eligible for rich snippets, which are enhanced listings on Google's SERPs. Rich snippets can display additional information such as product ratings, price, and availability. These rich snippets not only make your listings stand out, but it also improves your click-through rate. For Shopify store owners, the easiest way to implement structured data is by using apps like JSON LD for SEO or Schema Plus for SEO, which automate the process without requiring technical expertise. There's also the option of improving internal linking. Internal linking is one of the simplest yet most effective SEO strategies. Internal linking connects one page of your website to another, helping both users and search engines navigate your site. For example, you can link a product page to a related blog post, or even link one product page to another. Internal linking helps distribute page authority across your website, keeping visitors on your site longer and making it easier for Google to crawl and ultimately index your content. For Shopify, it's essential to add internal links within product descriptions and blog posts. You can create category pages that link to individual products and have pages that are built-in navigation. You can also create product pages that have individual links to them as well. It's also very important to build a navigation structure that encourages users to explore more pages on your site. A simple internal linking strategy can improve the SEO of your Shopify store significantly. Now, this next SEO tip is pretty self-explanatory, but we encourage you to also create high quality content. By creating high quality content, people will engage with it more and will ultimately raise your overall search ranking. For a well-optimized blog, you can also establish your brand as an expert in your niche, encouraging visitors to trust your recommendations and ultimately your products. To start this, you can create a simple blog on your Shopify store that provides value to your audience. One of the examples here is that you can write buying guides. These can be things like how to choose the best winter jackets in 2024 or top 5 waterproof backpacks for travelers. These blogs will ultimately build your overall trust and authority as the niche. Make sure that your content is keyword optimized, but written, of course, for humans. Try not to rely too heavily on AI for these things and try to be real and give value. Now, last but not least, my biggest recommendation I can give to you is getting quality backlinks. Backlinks or inbound links are another critical factor for improving your Shopify store's search engine optimization. A backlink is a link from an external website to your Shopify store. Google tends to use backlinks as a signal for your site's authority and credibility. Having these backlinks up to date and optimized within your Shopify store will help people actually access it and ultimately bring the ranking up. One of the things you can also do is find complementary businesses and agree to link to each other's websites. It's important here though to prioritize quality over quantity. One link from a high authority website is worth far more than several links warnings from low quality sites. And then of course, last but not least, just make sure that your Shopify store is put together and set up correctly. I'm going to show you guys real quick how to get started with Shopify for only $1 for your very first month. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is head down to the link down in the description and click it. Once you click that link, you'll be taken to this page here. And as you can see, you can get your first month of Shopify for only $1 and even earn up to $10,000 in credits. All we simply have to do here is enter in our email address and hit the start free trial button. Once we click that button, it will then take us to this page where it'll ask us a short couple of questions about our business. If you want to though, you can skip this entire process and get right into building your website. We then just have to simply say where our business will be located and then hit the next button. Then we'll create a quick Shopify account with either an email address, an Apple ID, a Facebook account, or a Google account. Once we've done that and created a quick password, we then can hit the create Shopify account button. It'll take a few seconds to load, but once it's fully loaded, we'll have full access to our Shopify store, which means we can start editing it, creating themes, and ultimately starting to sell products. And the most important part, making sure our search engine optimization is up to date and ready to go. Hopefully you guys found value in this tutorial. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions about this process. Also, let me know what type of Shopify store you're planning on building. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss any of our future videos. And I can't wait to see you guys in a future video.